Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoyingasdidi. Alright, so today what we are going to do is we're going to finish up these trellises, but we got to fix them. They did really, really well, considering the fact that they were in the ground while it rained, and it was pretty windy these past couple days. So I'm pretty proud, really proud of that. But there's one over there. Come over here. This one didn't do too well. But what I want to do is we're going to take these out of the ground, put the top of it, the top branches on it, the little archway branch, and then we're going to put them back in the ground. And then we're going to, I got some little seedlings that I want to go ahead and put in the ground. My seedlings are not doing what I want them to do so far. Maybe it's because it's a struggle of getting through the whatever was in the soil that I used. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just sow the seeds in the ground from now on, and we're going to see how that works out. Alright, so I'm going to take these out of the ground right now. At least I know where they're going, right? And then I'm going to tie the arch onto the top of them. And I'm going to dig a little further deep into the ground, so that way, to make sure that they stay in place. Alright, you guys, so I got my first bit, and we're going to tie it up. Put some twine. Alright, y'all, so we got this trellis up. Like, this is taking longer than I expected it to, because it's a whole lot of just measuring the height and making sure everything is where it's supposed to be. And then branches are breaking, so we have to replace the ones that we first had there. So it's just, but it's getting there. We got the first one down. We got 2 more to go. Hopefully we can get at least 2 of them up before the sun goes down, and I can get some seedlings in the ground. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is becoming a little bit more difficult than I expected it to. So yeah. Let me show y'all what I got going on. Look at this. Alright, so this one, look at this one. This one is way too short. I have to get sticks that tall to get that one done. So, well, I want to get tall sticks like this here, because this one is just way too small.
She's coming back.
So yeah.
Why?
Alright, you guys, so it is starting to get dark, and this is a really it's a real jigsaw puzzle right now. So like now I'm looking at the height of things. Like this one is too short. Look at this. That's too short. Look at this one. This one is just so perfect. So I'm thinking that I think I want all of them to be at a certain height. That's too small. So I need my sticks to be at least 6 feet tall, or at least maybe 7 feet tall, right? But it's getting dark, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these flowers in the garden that have been waiting to be planted.
These are all mushrooms.
Ooh, look at the mushrooms my daughter collected. Show them your mushrooms, babe.
Ew! Dude! What the?
Ooh, very nice. We're gonna go look those up and see. So before we go over there, let me show y'all the branches that we went ahead and collected. We got all these bad boys right here. These are the contenders. We don't know yet. But yeah, this is what we got. Alright, so this is Allison. I think that's what you call it. Put that bad girl right there. Now, after some Allison, at the end of the garden, to show you. Alright guys, so this is my Allison. At first it kind of like died back, but it came back and I was so impressed. So I'm like, oh, I gotta grow more of that. So that's what we're doing.
Why is it morning time?
Alright, ready? Alright guys, it is officially dark outside. It may not look like it, but it's getting dark. So, we're gonna work on this some more, maybe tomorrow, but you'll get this video next week. So yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shake, baby.